Hello, everyone. Welcome to the class series of Chinese myth. I am Arthur's mom. Today, we are going to talk about the story of how the humans are created by some goddess named Nüwa and how she helps humans obtain a peaceful life in Chinese mythology. A long, long time ago, the universe was a pretty boring place. There was sky, there was earth, there were rivers and mountains, but something was missing. There was no one to talk to, no laughter, no games, no stories. It was way too quiet. One day, the goddess Nüwa was walking by a river. She looked into the water and saw her own reflection. She had an idea. What if there were little creatures that looked kind of like her? Not as tall or as powerful, but fun, curious, and full of life. That would be so much more interesting. Nüwa scooped up some soft earth from the riverbank and rolled it into a little figure, a tiny person. She gave it a head, arms, legs, and even a little face, just like her own. Then, using her magic touch, the little figure came to life. It blinked, stretched, and even gave a tiny yawn. Nüwa was so excited. She made more and more little people. Soon, they were laughing, talking, singing, and playing all over the earth. For a while, everything was perfect. But one day, boom! Crash! There was a huge fight between some powerful gods. They broke a big hole in the sky. Dark clouds rolled in, and rain poured down nonstop. Rivers flooded, and the poor little humans had nowhere safe to live. Nüwa saw all the humans he had made, shivering and scared, and she knew she had to do something fast. But how do you fix a hole in the sky? Nüwa thought hard and remembered something special. The earth itself had beautiful colors: red, yellow, green, white, and black. She gathered bits of earth in all these 5 colors and mixed them together. She was about to make something magical. With her hands and her magic, Nüwa shaped the 5-color earth into a beautiful stone that glowed with every color of the rainbow. That wasn't just any stone, it was strong enough to patch the sky itself. Nüwa flew up, up, up into the sky, holding her shimmering magic stone. She carefully placed it over the hole, smoothing it into place like a piece of a puzzle. The colors spread across the sky, and soon the rain stopped, the clouds cleared, and the sky was whole again. Thanks to Nüwa, the sky was strong, the earth was safe, and the little humans she created could live happily ever after. They played, sang, built homes, and told stories about the kind goddess who made them and saved them. What qualities does Nüwa have? Is there anything we can learn from this mythology? Nüwa's story teaches us that sometimes the best solutions come from creativity, kindness, and thinking outside the box. And no matter how small you are, you can be part of something big, just like Nüwa's little clay people. If you like the story, give a thumb up, leave a comment, share it with family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing myths from around the world. Thank you. Goodbye.